In this video we are going to solve a PNG Grade 12 General Mathematics examination question that appeared in 2014 national exams. Before we go on, help us to grow this channel. Hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let us begin. We have a straight line and two angles sitting on it. The left angle is given as 4x and the right angle is given as 2x. Our job is to find the value of x. Step 1. Let's start by identifying what we're working with. We have two angles. The angle on the left is 4x and the angle on the right is 2x. Both of these angles share the same point on the straight line, and together, they cover the entire straight line. Nothing is missing. Step 2. Here's the key fact we need. These two angles sit on a straight line, and there's a rule in geometry that says angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degrees. Always. It doesn't matter what the angles look like or how they're labeled. If they sit on a straight line and fill it completely, their sum is 180 degrees. This is the rule that unlocks the whole problem. Step 3. Now we turn that rule into an equation. The left angle is 4x, the right angle is 2x, and together they equal 180 degrees. So we write 4x plus 2x equals 180 degrees. That's our starting equation. Step 4. On the left side, we have 4x plus 2x. These are like terms, they both have x. So we just add the numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6. That gives us 6x equals 180 degrees. Much simpler. Step 5. We have 6x equals 180, and we want to find x on its own. So we divide both sides by 6. On the left, 6x divided by 6 leaves just x. On the right, 180 divided by 6. Let's think 6 times 30 is 180. So we get x equals 180 divided by 6. Step 6. And 180 divided by 6 is 30. So x equals 30 degrees. That's our answer. But we're not done yet, we should always check. Step 7. Let's verify. If x is 30, then the left angle is 4 times 30, which is 120 degrees. The right angle is 2 times 30, which is 60 degrees. Now add them. 120 plus 60 equals 180 degrees. That matches the straight line rule. Our answer checks out. And so, the value of x is 30 degrees. The correct choice is D, 30 degrees.